Aquarius, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. In today's reading, tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Aquarius. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Ano yung mga strong energies and messages for Aquarius, please, about love and romance. Okay, Aquarius. Okay. Oh, okay. Merong third party. There were other things that got in the way of us being together. Okay. Soul tie. I always feel connected to you. Damage. We are both hurting from this. Okay. For some of you, you are in a long distance relationship. Magkalayo kayo ng inyong person. Okay. Dishonesty. By lying, I rip us apart. Okay. Third party, lies, damage. You are both hurting from that situation, Aquarius. Okay, but despite of that, you are both connected to each other kahit magkalayo kayo. Okay. Tingnan natin ano pa yung ibang messages from the Lover Oracle. Strong energies and messages for Aquarius, please, on love and romance. I am afraid to lose you. Okay. Why do I feel so lost? I don't want to be who I used to be. You deserve better. Okay. You are too nice. I don't deserve your kindness. Okay. Merong insecurities in the relationship. Someone is afraid to lose someone. Okay. Okay. Tingnan natin ano yung messages from the tarot, Aquarius. Okay. Oof. Okay. someone is worried about the situation, okay? Merong sleepless nights, nag-iisip about sa situation. Your person, parang disappointed ang person ninyo sa inyo, Aquarius, because you are not open to them. You are not expressing how you feel about the situation. Okay? May mga plans yung person ninyo sa inyo, okay, pero hindi niya rin sinasabi, okay, because he or she feels that you are closed off, parang hindi ka nakikinig sa kanyang sitwasyon. So your person feels is also heartbroken about that, disappointed, okay? Yeah. Pero yung person ninyo, continue pa rin, tuloy lang siya kung anong meron or anong situation, okay? Alam niya kung anong gusto niya, and he or she is gusto niya ma-achieve or ma-attain yun about sa inyong relationship. Gusto niya i-maintain, magkaroon ng balance ang relationship, okay? Yeah, your person is not that expressive sa kanyang nararamdaman. He or she, marami siyang iniisip, madami siyang naiisip, may mga plano siya. Sometimes, he or she is cold on you. Okay? Hindi lang talaga siya siguro ganun ka-communicative, or hindi niya na-verbalize ang kanyang nararamdaman, or ano yung nasa isip niya, or ano yung plans niya. You, on the other hand, Aquarius, you are closed off. Parang marami kang ginagawa, parang ayaw mo din ng problems or gulo. Ayaw mo ma-distract sa inyong situationship, most especially your energy, because maybe you want to be alone, you want to spend some time alone, para maybe you are resting, okay? Ayaw mo ma-distract ka sa inyong ginagawa. Ayaw mo rin ng mga negative vibes or other energies. Okay? You just want peace. Okay? Parang may boundaries ka lang din, Aquarius. Yeah. For some of you, you feel that parang hindi ka approachable, Aquarius. And the problem is, para sa person mo, parang ito yung kailangan i-break din sa inyong relationship, na maging open ka. Okay? Okay? Na maging open-minded ka rin. Okay? I think, or this is you want your person also to be open-minded. Okay? Na kung meron mang mga negative na pinapakita or behavior ang inyong person, gusto mo i-break yung pattern na yon, na maging open din siya sa inyo and expressive. Most especially in an emotional aspect. Okay? But someone is thinking non-stop about the situation, Aquarius. Let's see. Ano tong Three of Swords? Okay. Three of Swords. Yeah, the Fool. Yes. Yeah. Your person is disappointed because feeling niya parang carefree ka, or you don't care enough. Parang wala kang pakialam, or yeah, you don't care about the situation or about your person. It's like you are moving forward without thinking about things. You are carefree. Parang hindi ka maingat sa inyong ginagawa. Okay? Okay. Yeah, the devil. Yeah, your person. Yung iba sa inyo, yung person yung nag-iisip na nang hindi maganda. Maybe your person is also toxic, okay? Or obsessed, or mayroon siyang obsession about sa inyong mga ginagawa. Parang hindi kanya tinatantanan din, okay? Parang napapansin ka palagi, okay? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, your person feels that you are involved in a third party, okay? Meron kang ginagawa na hindi maganda. And your person is thinking about that, pero parang hindi lang siya nag-express, hindi niya sinasabi sa inyo. Okay? Yeah, Ace of Pentacles. But whatever, kung ano man yan, yung person nyo is very determined siya na maging maayos ang inyong relationship, maging stable, okay, na intact pa rin ang inyong commitment sa isa't isa. Yeah. Your person also is ambitious, Ace of Pentacles, looking forward for a better future sa inyong relationship, most especially when it comes to material wealth, okay? Na. Your person knows kung ano yung gusto niya and he or she goes after it. Yes. Yeah. You are just cutting cord, Aquarius, okay? And you feel also that your person is very straightforward, okay? Parang seryoso. Harsh communication. You are receiving harsh communication from your person. And you just don't want, and you are ignoring it, okay? Parang pinoprotektahan ninyo ang inyong sarili, Aquarius. Yeah. You feel na kailangan mo maging defensive sa inyong person. Maybe your person is aggressive, okay? Sharp tongue. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe your person is also has a lot of plans. May mga gusto din siyang mayari. There is the devil, okay? Maybe obsessed yung person ninyo into something like material things. Mataas ang kanyang expectation or waiting for something better in the relationship. Okay. Okay. Ace of Swords. Yeah. So you want your person na kung ano man yung mga unhealthy habits niya or patterns, okay? Gusto mong baguhin niya yon, okay? Na maging sensitive din siya sa inyong situation, Aquarius. Yeah. Na kung ano man yung status or kung ano man meron sa relationship ninyo ngayon, sa sitwasyon nyo, na maging yung tanggapin niya kung ano yung sa current situation nyo ngayon, okay? And just adapt to it. Kung ano man yung mga changes na mangyayari, maging adaptable siya, i-embrace niya yon, okay? So basically, you just want your person to break that unhealthy pattern sa kanyang behavior and attitude. You want some truth also from your person. Okay. Ideas to improve the situation. Okay. You want new ideas from him or her also. Kung anong magandang gawin sa inyong situation. Yeah. Okay. Kung ano man yung mga disappointments sa inyong relationship, may mga regrets and all that, ma-overcome nyo yun, Aquarius, okay? Kung merong sadness, okay, or disappointment in the relationship, you will be able to overcome it sa inyong dalawa. Okay? You need also answers and participation from your person. Yeah. There will be a turning point sa relationship ninyo that everything will be okay after some disappointments or sadness. Okay? Okay. This is for some of you, Aquarius, or this is the other way around. Maybe this is your person also. Okay? Depende sa inyong situation, but these are the energies na lumalabas. Merong turning point, merong pagbabago na mangyayari. Okay? After some sadness and disappointments. Yeah, the chariot, no? Came twice. Yeah. Kailangan ng confidence sa inyong relationship. Stop overthinking. Okay? Kailangan mag-move forward ang inyong relationship. Kung merong mga sleepless nights, okay, mga worries, mga from time to time nag-iisip ng hindi maganda. Okay. Kailangan i-overcome yun. Yeah. Change is needed in your perspective, Aquarius, sa inyong relationship. Kailangan i-discuss ninyo ang inyong mga expectations sa relationship. Okay? Maging clear. Okay? Because someone is overthinking or is thinking about a situation, about improvements, about success. And it is affecting the relationship, okay? Someone wants to be victorious, okay? Victorious on material wealth, okay? And this is something affecting the relationship, this Ace of Pentacles. So, kailangan na mag-i-clear yung expectations sa isa't isa. Yeah. Okay? So, kailangan i-communicate ang expectations. Okay? Okay. Yeah. But there will be a turning point in the relationship. Magkaroon ng pagbabago. There will be movements. There will be improvement in the situation. Okay? Let's see. Ano yung other messages for Aquarius? Yeah. Also, this is suggesting kailan mag-inject ng playful times in the relationship. Wag mag-isip. Wag mag-overthink. Wag mag-worry all the time. Okay? Okay? Inject ng playfulness in the relationship. Carefree times. Yeah? So, merong ganyan. Merong turning point na mangyayari na ma-overcome nyo to yung ganitong situation. Let's see what are the other messages for Aquarius. When you pass from this world, you take nothing with you but your soul and the memories you have shared with those you love. Passion, a magnetic and seductive quality surrounds you at present. Enjoy it. Okay. Forgiveness. Stop focusing your energy on past events, for life is too precious to waste. You create your reality by what you think, dream, and imagine. Okay? So, these are the messages for you, Aquarius. Maraming salamat sa iyo, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!